Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be doing a product review on a pair of Dockers men's shoes. I was looking for a pair of shoes that were casual enough but a little more rugged and not so slippery, and these kind of fit the bill. They're affordable, they look nice. Initially they came out a little stiff, but once you wear it, even in 24 hours, it starts to break in. It's 100% leather. You can see at the bottom of the shoe that I'm showing you here that it has some really good tread. The shoes that I was wearing before, if it rained, I would be slipping all over the place. This one, I believe, is going to be a little more secure. It comes with a pretty decent insole, and it is imported. I haven't worn it in the rain just yet, but it says here that it has a never wet type of covering on this surface of the shoe. The shoe itself fits pretty well. I ordered a size 9. They do have some wide sizes as well, but I didn't really need that. Overall, I think the shoe is great for the value. If you have any questions or comments, leave it on down below.